Earthquake is sudden slip on fault, resulting in ground shaking. When rock breaks along a fault, that is the cause of earthquake. The hanging wall has moved downward. Rocks are pulled apart. Normal fall on normal fall. The Strathclyde fault is the type of fault, a fracture in the rocks of Earth's crust. Rocks slip past one another parallel into the strath. Hanging wall rise to the foot. Wall distinct of normal foot. Reverse foot or reverse foot.
Did you know that in 4081 an earthquake and Rhodes freeze happened in May? It triggered a small tsunami that caused flooding. The estimated death toll was about 30,000. The damage caused by the earthquake led to a wave of rebuilding after 4081. The damage from the tsunami was said to be greater from the earthquake. The tsunami caused a large ship to break from its mooring. It later sank with the loss of all its crew after running into a reef. What about you, Salmo? What do you know about ancient Rome and Greece earthquakes?
In my opinion, the AD 62 Pompeii earthquake is much more fatal than the 1481 Rhodes earthquake. It had an estimated magnitude of between 5 and 6 and maximum intensity of 9 or 10 on the Mercalli intensity scale. The towns of Pompeii and Herculaneum were severely damaged. The earthquake may have been precursor to the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in AD 79, which destroyed the same two towns. The contemporary philosopher and dramatist Seneca the Younger wrote an account of the earthquake in the 6th book of his Naturales Questiones, entitled De Terra Motu, concerning earthquakes.
Oh really? There's no doubt that the AD 62 Pompeii is more destructive than the 1481 Rhodes earthquake.
1. The 365 Crete earthquake occurred at about sunrise on the 21st of July, 365, on the eastern Mediterranean, with an assumed epicenter near Crete. Geologists today estimate the undersea earthquake to have been a magnitude 8.0 or higher.
So in the 4081 Rhodes earthquake, there were an estimated 30,000 people died. Let's see the number of women and men died. X is the women and Y are the men. X plus Y is greater than or equal to 30,000. Step 1. Replace the inequality symbol into an equal sign. So we have X plus Y greater than or equal to 30,000 is now X plus Y equals to 30,000. Step 2. Find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Let x be 0, so we have 0 plus y equals to 30,000. Y is now 30,000. Let y be 0. X plus 0 is equal to 30,000. X is equal to 30,000. Step 3. The graph. As you can see, we use a solid line because we used the symbol greater than or equals to. Step 4. Use the origin testing point. So 0 plus 0 is not greater than or equal to 30,000. So it means that our graph is not a half slope.
I learned in Pasig City, the fault line is most prominent at Canley Road, smack dab where the road goes down on a steep level behind the structure of Phoenix Heights and through Victoria Court. The West Valley Fault can generate a magnitude 7.2 earthquake. Are you prepared for an earthquake? If you aren't, let us see what to do before, during, and after earthquake, important, so that you can save others in instant.
What to do before, during, and after an earthquake. Before an earthquake, secure heavy furniture, hanging plants, heavy features, or mirrors. Keep flammable or hazardous liquid in a cabinets or on lower shelves. Maintain emergency food, water, and other supplies, including a flashlight, a portable battery-operated radio, extra batteries, medicines, first aid kit, and clothing. And decide where your family will meet in case of an earthquake happens. When an earthquake is occurring and you're inside your house, always remember to duck, cover, and hold, and go hide in your study table. After an earthquake, be prepared for aftershocks. Listen to the radio or television for information from authorities. Place telephone receivers back in their cradles. Only make calls if requiring emergency services. Put on sturdy shoes and protective clothing to help prevent injury from debris, especially broken glass. If you suspect your home is unsafe, do not re-enter. If you must leave your home, take your emergency kit and other essential items with you. Post a message in clear view, indicating where you've been found. Do not light matches or turn on light switches. Use a flashlight to check utilities and do not shut them down unless damaged. Leaking gas will smell and help other injured people and clean the injuries. Go to the place where your family will meet.
Sa pagbagsak ay maraming natutunan, mga pangkabuhayan na inaasahan, mga pinatayong gusaling nagtaasan, ay nawasak ng di lang inasahan. Parang naging lantang gulay ang mga tao, ngunit di iyon dahilan ng pagsuko, kundi magtanim ng may anihing palay, nabawasan man ang aking kayamanan. Hindi naging bulag ang mga taong anghel, umiiral ang kanilang kabutihan. Nakakarampot na kusing malaking tulong, kung tutuusin salamat lang sabihin.